Good morning, everybody. So, welcome to day 6, last day of the road trip. Almost in Florida, almost back home. Truck's ready to go. I'm gonna get some fuel and hit the road. We'll see you guys in a bit. Well, we just made it to Florida, home state. You know, every time I get here, it's like, yeah, we're in Florida, and then it's like, shit, still got 6 hours to Miami, but oh well. What's up, everybody? So, back in Florida, as you can see, it's raining. Pretty Floridian thing, especially around this time of year. So I'm over here at my buddy Joel Phinney's house.
Hey.
And he's got a pretty cool 66, and his son's got a really cool bump side. I don't remember the year.
71.
71. So Joel's gonna show us his truck, and maybe if the rain stops, we'll go check out the 71 as well.
All right, so it's a 66 F100. We picked it up about 6 years ago in Crossville, Tennessee. It was kind of a roller. It had a 352 F&E motor and a C6. It sat for a long time. They were locked up, so we initially put a 302 in it with an AOD, and after a while driving that, just wanted a little more power, so I did a built 351 Windsor. Enjoy driving the truck. We've done 3 power tours with a couple of my sons, just part of them. Done about 10,000 miles in the last 4 years of driving, and we really enjoy the truck. Had a lot of good memories building it with my son Jared and my other son Ryan, who's not here today, but it's a great pastime.
Yeah. I love the bed on this thing, man.
So the bed was a little rusted out, and so we got marine grade plywood, 2 sheets, 16 inches wide, and I got the idea, since it's a 66, to do a Route 66 in the rear end for the bed, and just cleared it with auto finish, black stain for the stencil. Left the bed patinaed. Dropped the truck. Did shackles on the rear. Did drop beams on the front with disc brakes.
For now.
We'll be doing a QA1 front clip soon. I'll get around to it. Hopefully that'll help the drivability a little bit.
I'm sure it will. Let me show you guys the inside. I love that dash. The Ranger dash, or custom cab dash for the 66s are my favorite. Just really clean. You able to pop the hood?
Absolutely.
We were just outside, that's why everything's all wet.
So we put this in about 2 years ago. It's a 351 Windsor, all roller. It's got a custom cam by Cam Research. It's a 232 and 236 at 50, 600 lift at 106 LSA. So it's got a pretty good load to it. Do have AC on the truck. Here in Florida, it's really hot, so put AC on last year before the 2019 power tour. Made riding a lot more comfortable in the heat this summer. But we have a lot of fun driving it. So drive it to work probably 4 or 5 times a month, and just enjoy going to shows and spending time with my sons on it.
That's awesome. Well, if you see the next clip is a 71, you'll know that we went to go see the 71. If not, we'll see you guys back on the highway. Well, we decided, who cares if it's raining? We're gonna come out here, we're gonna get some stuff. So this is Jared Phinney, and this is his 71. So tell us a little bit about it.
So this is my 1971 Ford F100. We picked it up in Valdosta, Georgia for around $600. Long story to how we got that, but it's lowered on drop beams, and then axle flip in the rear. And then we have a 302 small block with a T5 manual transmission, stock rear end.
Nice. Well, I'm gonna walk around it and then we'll show you guys the motor. The patina on this thing is just unbelievable. I'm gonna pop that hood. Heck yeah. That's awesome. So the Phinney boys like Fords. There's definitely a couple cool F100s sitting over here.
We've got a few toys.
Just a couple, right?
Just a few.
Well, I really appreciate you guys letting us come out here, and we're gonna hit the road. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. So everybody, so we just pulled in over here to Ocala, Florida, and we came to check out Boyd Welding. I'm going to be making a separate video on it, but I figured to let you guys know where we're at for right now. After we finish this, we're going to hit up one of my buddies who lives in town, and then keep heading south. We got about 5 hours left till home. What's up, guys? So figured from stopping through Ocala, got to see Mr. Chris Hamilton over here, head honcho of street trucks, and he just gave me a whole bunch of the new magazine. I haven't gotten my copy yet, so now I've got plenty. And if anybody needs one, message me. I've got a couple extras. So yeah, and then we're gonna hit the road again. We got about 5 hours to Miami, and we got to be there tonight because my wife said, "You've already been on the road for 5 days. You got to get home." So see you guys back on the road. Can't come through Ocala without visiting, you know, the old man. What's up, Dougie? Hi, everybody. Bought him some swag. Thanks, Chris, for giving me a bunch of extra. Doug's like that typical really cool guy that nobody knows. R32 Skyline, bunch of badass bikes. So yeah. What's up, everybody? So what we got here is a typical case of Florida during hurricane season. So this is like a daily thing where it rains like a hurricane, and it's really annoying, especially in this truck. So you know, we're just chilling. I would tell you what speed I'm going, but the speedometer actually broke earlier today. I didn't diagnose it yet. It might be the cable. I hope that it's not the, you know, inside the transmission mechanical. But yeah, we got about, I don't know, 90 miles left to the house, maybe less. So yeah, we're gonna deal with all of it. And then at least the truck is sort of waterproof with a little bit of water, but nothing to write home about. So yeah, we're just, you know, cruising along. I'm assuming that we're doing about 60. The other vehicles are doing like 80 that are driving past me. What's up, everybody? That's it. We're back. We're at the shop. So now we gotta move a bunch of stuff around so we can unload all the stuff in the back of the truck. I can get home, see my wife, my beautiful daughter, so we can go home, see his wife, and sleep. Left the headlights on. We needed a lot of sleep. We get like 2 to 4 hours of sleep each night for the last 6 days. Not the greatest. So it's gonna be a good weekend. Today's Friday. So yeah. And then we'll show you guys a little bit of the shop, but I'm gonna be doing a full shop tour and all that kind of stuff here in a couple of days probably. B100, love that thing. Hey, Simmy.
Hey there.
Oh, it's all the way back there.
We got a little bit of arranging to do. We'll put this at a time lapse. back in Miami, so you know what that means. Traffic. Hate traffic. I need to figure out a way to move out to like somewhere not here, less congested, less people, more back roads. But hey, truck actually made it 3,000 miles. Did great. Only things that went sour was the AC condenser got a hole in it, so we lost AC around Missouri. And then what else is it? What else? Send me. Just the AC, right?
Pretty much.
Yeah, just the AC. Everything else.
When you're ready, turn the camera this way. All right, we haven't even topped off any of the fluids. Nothing. I mean, we put some air in the tire, and that was just because we were being, you know, we wanted more gas mileage, you know. So that's pretty cool. Doing 3,000 miles, not, you know, no overheating, nothing. We didn't top off the oil, no transmission fluid, nothing. So I would say Dodge, but it's really a Foreman. So
that has a lot to do with Jimmy at Old Iron Gas and Diesel, and I had him go through the truck before we went on the road trip. So it's not like the truck wasn't serviced. He went through it. He told me some stuff that we needed to look out for. He did an oil change. He did an alignment. Did a couple other things. But overall, I was expecting a lot of things. So I brought with me a whole bunch of tools. I brought with me a bunch of electrical stuff. I mean, there wasn't one electrical issue. There wasn't any issue. And the issue with the AC is a very simple thing that happened. Under the hood, it's super cramped. So the AC condenser was very close to the hood latch, like the piece that doesn't let the hood latch go up, and it just probably was rubbing on it, and it made a little tiny hole. So we're gonna probably put a whole different type of AC system in here anyway. But all we'd have to do is JB weld the condenser and charge the system again, and we'd have no issues. But yeah, so now the fun begins. Now I get to make all the things that I noticed on the road trip we get to fix. Like the vent windows, for example, they let in all types of noise. All the other gaskets are pretty good, except for the vent window and the windshield. The windshield trim, the windshield gasket is all eaten up, and I'm gonna get a new one, probably gonna get a PRP one. Yesterday I bought the chrome trim from Brian Pope, so I'll have the trim on there, so I just need to get the gasket. I need to also buy a new windshield because this one's got chips and a big old crack in it. So I'm probably gonna do that pretty soon. I'm gonna try to do the vent windows. I made a small list of things that I want to do. I really need to figure out a more comfortable seat option. These are the original seats, and they just sit me way too up. There's no lumbar support, and my back's hurting me. What about you, Sim?
I'm good.
Yeah, I guess I got that 100 pounds on him, so now I don't probably have 100 on you, but I'm still heavier. Anyway, gotta do that. Almost back at the house, so show you guys a little bit of the rest of the way to the house, and then that's it. We're out of the truck for you know, probably till tomorrow. I don't know, whenever we feel like driving it again. It's definitely gonna be my daily, but I want to make a few adjustments before I make it my daily. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and see you guys in a minute. She ain't much, but you know, I like it. See me? It was fun.
It's been good, brother. I need a week to detox.
Yeah, I don't want to see him anymore. I way too much, all day, every day. Hey, babe. Wife just opened the door. I guess she heard that coming. So we're gonna get this thing unloaded, put the stuff over here, and that's the end of the video. That's the end of this little bit of the series, which is road tripping home with Gold Dust. There's gonna be many road trips. There's gonna be a lot of things we're gonna upgrade on here, and I'm gonna be making videos hopefully often. But that's it. Thanks to everybody that helped me along the way with random things. The people that I stopped into, thanks for having us. Everybody that's watching, I really appreciate it. And if you guys can subscribe to the channel, if you can like the video, comment, give me, you know, any suggestions, whatever it is, I'm open to it. Thank you guys again, and we'll see you at the next video. Well, I thought the last clip was going to be the last clip, but my wife and daughter want to go for a ride. How are you going to say no? Now she's on the phone. So we're going to go a little cruising having a little bit of fun. But everything I said in the last clip still stands in this clip, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.